How to remove your Messenger account from phone. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove your Messenger account from phone. So just to remove your Messenger account, what you can do is make sure you have installed the latest version of Messenger and you are using it. So now if you want to remove some account from Messenger, then what you can simply do is open a Messenger account and then you must be logged into the account that you want to log out as well. After you do that, on the top left side you will see three vertical lines. When you open that, you will be able to see and scroll down and down. Now what you need to do is tap on switch your account or tap on log out the account option. When you do that, you can simply remove any of the account if you have multiple accounts. If you don't have multiple accounts, then simply log out of any accounts you have. Now when you tap on your Messenger, you need to log into other account if you don't have any Messenger account that on your Messenger. If not, then if you don't want to follow this step and just want to remove all the Messenger accounts in your Messenger application, then I would suggest you to just uninstall your Messenger from the device just by long pressing on it and tapping on the uninstall option. And you can simply install it again from the Google Play Store by tapping Messenger application. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.